Hi, it's Rob here from Super Quick Electric. I'm here on site at a job we have just finished. The standard family home uses over 3,000 kilograms of coal every year just to power the home. This home had 8 panels connected to a 1.5 kilowatt inverter, and we have removed that system and installed 42 panels and connected it to a 10 kilowatt inverter, a 3-phase inverter. So now this home will actually be offsetting 6,900 kilograms of coal every single year. And the bill will be in credit too. The credit expected is going to be $1,200 in my client's pocket. Have a look at some of these shots, and if you're interested in getting some solar or some batteries, give me a call at Super Quick Electric. My name is Rob. I look forward to your call.